Michano kachana, sema michano kachana, sema michano kachana. Yeah, yo, nikizama booth natema too much verse, kwa malapa bovu ndo nawapa too much space, too much sexy, wakizama bila socks inakuwa too much death. Nikiona ladies money too much spendi, maisha safari ndo maana kuna too much stendi, too much bendi, too much ushenzi, wanapewa mimba wanakimbiwa too much ready. Grab the big ocean, kuna too much fish na meza MC broken when you too much shit, too much cocktail, too much weed na nyonya MC for sale na too much ligi. Mbuzi Kagoma kwenda too much mgomo, sina nyota mkwanja ndo maana sina too much promo. Pesa ndo ina squeeze too much gona, wachaniki malapa wengi wana too much mshono. Maisha magumu kitani kuna too much rushwa, mwanzo wa huni ndo chanzo cha too much pusha. Mademo wanavaa short sketi too much bukta, na mwisho wa verse naika too much nukta. Alimichano yeah 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 yeah, ha, wezo